Let me go ahead and show you face, though. I'm going to show you face, get heart rate, and then do it. But I don't see it being a problem.
Okay,
So
cool.
let's see.
You guys look at the face.
Oh, look how cute that
You guys look
looks.
behind you.
Good morning.
Can you see that?
Mouth open.
Aww.
Oh, yeah.
Am I in your way, Lisa?
No.
See the baby? See it? You like it?
Uh-huh. There's your baby, Howie. There's its heart.
Take a measurement. 145, perfectly normal. And then we're going to listen to your baby's heartbeat now. So your baby moved.
Don't listen to my heart.
Oh, that's a cute baby.
Okay, you might want to call. Good morning. Say hi.
Calling Matt.
That's a little hand there.
What's the baby's name, Howie? Okay, we're about to find out.
Here we go. It's a boy.
Is it?
Yeah.
Howie's
Howie, you were right.
Howie,
Congratulations.
did you hear that?
happy. No, he didn't hear.
One more time.
It's a boy.
For sure, huh?
I definitely see penis.
Wiener power.
Yay!
That's so cool. You're right, buddy.
Howie, you were right.
Do it.
Howie, what's the baby's name?
Howie, what's your brother's name?
Someone. His name is someone.
Look
All
at
right.
his legs spread right there.
So the eagle spread.
Yep.
It's pretty much, remember I told you it wasn't going to
Yeah.
take too long. Definitely got that.
All right, cool. Have a good day at work, honey.
That is totally amazing. All right. Love you.
Love you too.
Bye, Matt. Congratulations.
Bye, Maddie.
Cool. All right. Okay, I'm gonna go. I gotta go tell everybody now.
Bye, Matthew.
All right. See you later.
Okay, love you. Bye.
Look at that.
Okay, bye-bye.
Oh, look at that picture. That's awesome.
Whoa.
No.
There's your baby boy.
Oh,
You have a baby
No,
boy.
so they didn't used to be able to do it like that. Is that his
is
umbilical
that a nipple
cord?
cord?
Yes. Rub the
Wow.
shoulder
Yeah.
on his neck.
Around his neck? Yeah.
It's not a rub. It's not knotted. Do you
It's
see
not
how
knotted?
it's loose when it comes here?
Oh, it's coming
Yeah.
down. Okay,
Mhm.
good.
You're
So it's
fine.
not nipple.